Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are trying the CurlMix Wash and Go system. I had no idea what to expect from this system. I knew a little bit about them, but I'm super glad that I got to try it out. And this is their lavender system. There's 4 different kinds, but this is their lavender one. And here they sent me the directions of their CurlMix method that I followed to the T. So let's see what results we're going to get from this. So as you can see, I'm starting off with really dirty hair, you guys. This hair has been under a wig for like 4 days and then in a bun for like 2 more days. So it is filthy, it is matted. This is the best time to try out this system, okay? So here I am just giving you a little turnaround. And we're going to start off by wetting my hair and saturating it with water. So step 1 is the pure aloe vera shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup, and it has a really light lavender fragrance. I did enjoy this shampoo, no complaints here. As you can see, it's really creamy and it suds up very nicely. And following the method, I just put it towards my scalp and just massaged it in with my fingertips. And yeah, I felt pretty squeaky clean, and it was not drying at all afterwards, which was great. And yeah, no complaints here. Really good, great smelling shampoo. So after that, we're going to follow up with the Pure Grapeseed Conditioner, and this is a hydrating conditioner claiming to have ultra slip, again a lavender fragrance. And you guys, my hair, like I said before, was super matted, and when I tell you that this conditioner just slid down my curls, got every kink and knot, and just felt amazing, like I was shocked. Okay, I was shook at how this felt on my hair. Like, you know, they say ultra slip, but as you can see, I'm super impressed. It was actually giving my hair a really good slip. So I just squeezed that into my hair, and then I let it sit for a little bit, and I came back with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I detangled with that and moved on to the next step. After conditioning, we're going to follow up with the moisturizer, and this is step 3. And oof, step 3 and 4, you guys, this is it right here. This is the moisturizing organic jojoba oil, and then this is step 4, which is the moisturizing pure flaxseed gel. And these two, this is where the magic happens. So following the CurlMix method, they tell you to no longer use combs for this part, but we're just going to use our fingers, and we're just going to finger comb this product through. And if you can see that, my curl started clumping and being defined instantly. Like the shine, the definition, do you guys see that? Whenever you see that at this step, you know, that little leave-in moisturizing lotion step, that's when you know this wash and go is about to be bomb. Okay, this is how you know. On top of the moisturizing lotion, I'm adding the gel, of course, next immediately after, and that is just holding on. Like, that is holding on to the definition. I love it. So I had to get out the shower because I was in there too long. But this is me finishing up outside the shower, and these are the results so far on half of my head. And look at that. That's still wet, you all. Just imagine how it's going to look when it's dry. No product versus product on the other side. We're on our way to a bomb wash and go. So the CurlMix method highly recommends diffusing your hair. And you guys know I don't usually diffuse on my channel, but I thought, okay, so far I'm seeing bomb results. Let's just keep following this method. So I took out my diffuser and here I am. As you can tell, I don't diffuse. I don't know what I'm doing. But I know that I'm just going to keep it here on the roots at least and get the roots dry and then work on the rest of the hair. That's my logic anyways. Here are the results, you guys. Ooh, the definition. Every single curl popping. Popping. Can you guys guess what song I'm singing? I don't know. Maybe you can. But every single curl is popping. Like, this is flawless, you guys. And I should have showed the rest of the week, but they claim that this will last 3 to 7 days. It will last 3 to 7 days. Like, you guys don't understand how shook I am by this system. It's so simple, so easy. I highly recommend this to beginners. Like, if you guys need a gift for the natural girl in your life, Christmas is coming up, I would highly buy this system for them. They can't go wrong with it. The results are phenomenal. Step 3 and 4, that's when you see the magic, and it's great. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye!